Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. Today I'll show you how to update League of Legends quickly. First, open the Riot Games launcher and log into your account. Next, click on the League of Legends logo. If there's an update available, you'll see the update button. Just click it. Wait for it to finish downloading, and you're ready to play. That's it. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more quick gaming guides.